We are going to make our own drum in this experiment. We need 2 identical containers, a few rubber bands, 2 zipper or plastic bags, and a pair of scissors. First, we open the zipper bag and cut along the bag's edge. Once you have cut it, unfold the bag. It would look like this when it is unfolded. Do the same to the other bag. Please be careful when you cut the bag so that you will not hurt yourself. Instead of scissors, we can also use utility knife. After cutting the zipper bags, take out the containers. We will make 2 drums with different batter heads. One is tense and the other is loose. Cover the container's mouth with plastic and secure it using a rubber band. As for the second container, we will construct a tense batter head. To do this, cover the container's mouth with plastic, then tie a rubber band around the container's neck twice. Once it is done, flatten the batter head. The batter head will become different after pulling the plastic flat. We are going to make it tenser by tying another rubber band around the container. Be careful not to snap the rubber band. Although the containers we are using right now are made of glass, you can also use paper roll to make the drum. That will be safer. Once the rubber bands are in place, pull the batter head tight. This will make it tenser. It is better to tie 4 rubber bands. Please be careful when doing so. After all 4 rubber bands are in place, tighten the batter head just like before to make the batter head tense. Get the other drum we made earlier. Now, compare these 2 batter heads. One is loose and the other is tense. Check for the difference in pitch. Let us start with the loose batter head drum, and then proceed with the tense one. We can tell that the loose one has a low pitch and the tense one has a high pitch. Next, we are going to make a guitar. We need 2 rubber bands of the same size and 2 boxes of the same size and material. Create the sound box of the guitar by removing the lid. Tie 1 rubber band around the blue box and the second rubber band around the 2 boxes. Position the rubber bands in the middle of the boxes. Once the rubber bands are in place, we can play with the strings. Check for difference in pitch. We begin with the loose one. Next, play with the tense string wrapped around 2 boxes. We heard that the loose string produces a low pitch and the tense string produces a high pitch. The third instrument is a straw flute. Let us try it. Notice that the pitches are different. The purpose of the pink straws is to widen the distances between the tubes. This prevents blowing into multiple tubes simultaneously. Let us try it again. The sound is caused by air vibration. The blue straw has a longer air chamber, and it has a low pitch. The straw with a shorter air chamber has a high pitch.